What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2007 Mercedes GL450 and we're gonna change the struts on this SUV. Let's jump in straight to the video and let's see how we're gonna change it. Alright guys, so before we start, if you have air suspension in this SUV, I would recommend removing the fuse for the airbag, which is this one for the air suspension, and also the relay. So I already removed those, and these are the locations. So you can see this one goes here and this one goes over here. So remove these, that way when you lift the car, the airbags doesn't turn on. All right, let's go to the video. All right, in order to remove the struts, shocks from the rear, we have to remove this. I haven't removed this one because I'm gonna show you how to remove it, but this one needs to be removed, and the bolts are really hidden. As you can see, they are right there. I already removed this strut, so you're gonna make like an incision here, that way you can find the bolts. Otherwise you're not gonna be able to see them. And you can see the hole right there. That's one, and this is another one. But yeah, they're really hard. Not too hard, but to find them is stressful, and you're gonna need a 13mm to remove them. So yeah. Alright, so to remove this one, we have to lift it from here. You can use a plastic, but I'm just gonna use this and just lift it gently until it pops. You can see that. There you go, it popped. Lift it a little bit more. Just go along all the way until you find. Once you lift it here, you're gonna push it this way. So I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna show you the bolts. Alright, so I have this removed, and by the way, if you see these brakes, don't worry about it. Once you put it back, it's just gonna pop in pretty nice. That's why it has these little guides right here and these clips. So the way why it's braking is because it has never been removed to service the struts, so they are gonna be here. This is what you're gonna see, just a bunch of cables, but you have to reach in really inside, that way you can find the bolts. So let me just find them really quick, and I'll take a really video of where they are located at. Alright people, so I already found the bolts. So as you can see, I had to do a lot of cut here, and I'm gonna show you, if I can with one hand, I'm gonna show you the bolt, which is right there, as you can see, and the other one is gonna be to the right. That's the other one. So you just need a long extension, reach in and remove them like this. And once they're removed, I'll go to the other side so I can show you how to take them off everything. Alright guys, so we have here already the strut removed, as you can see. So also make sure you have the airbag de-inflated, and you can do this by loosening the rear air nipple for the airbag, so that way you can work nice and also have the fuse removed and the relay. That way you can work really without any issues. So here we just remove this, which is already loose, and the way we're gonna remove this is by lifting the strut all the way up again, and we're gonna remove it through this hole right here. So let me see if I can do it with one hand. Gonna lift it. You can see it lift. We twist a little bit more. There you go, and then push it in to that hole right there, and then it goes down. And then you can lift the car if you want a little more. I have the rack here, the lift, so it helps a lot. Once I lift it, it just goes down really nice. But yeah, on the new ones, don't forget to put the this bracket right here. So once I get the new ones, I'll show you how to put them back, right? Alright guys, so we have the new strut right here, and as you can see, it's an updated one. This one doesn't have the boot, but when you get the new one, we have to remove the screws, the nuts from this, and we're gonna install it the same way we removed it, by putting it right here like that, then going up, and it doesn't have any guide. It can go anywhere, any side. So I'll just put it on this side. And this thing is hard to put with one hand. Right, and it goes up, and like that. And we have to align it with the holes in there. So skip this part, and this will be pretty much it. Okay guys, so we have the struts already installed on this Mercedes, and I already installed the other side. As you can see, it looks really nice. And the thing is, you need somebody to help you out to align it, or you can just wiggle it and work your way out, because this thing is difficult to align it in there. So once you get it on top, you're good to go. Or either you can use the jack to lift it up, and it's gonna work the same. Alright, so right now I'm retightening. I'm putting the bolts back, the nuts, and it's gonna take a while, so let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already put this back, and you're gonna see a little gap right here. You can either put glue here or just leave it like that, but I'm gonna put glue because it doesn't look a lot, but you can tell that it's a little bit open. So I'll put glue on it, and once I'm done, now I'm gonna go to the front and put the fuse back and everything, so we can turn on the airbags and lower the car. Alright, I'll be back. Also, don't forget to retighten this. You're gonna need a 15/16 or a socket 24 to reinstall this bolts, the bolt and the nut, so we can hold the strut right here, the shock. And now it's time to put that tire back into its place in 3, 2, 1, boom. And now it's time to lower the car, and let's roll it out. Alright, now it's time to put this back, put the fuse back, and put the relay back, because we're lowering the car already. So just install that, and now it's time to turn on the car and let the airbags do the work. Alright, we see now it's lowered, so we just need to wait until it goes up a little bit. All the suspension is low right now, so I'm just gonna wait until it raises up a little bit. And we see here it's already lifted. It just took about 5 minutes to lift everything, and it's time to take it out. Alright guys, so this will be the end of the video. I hope you liked the informative video on how to change the rear struts on this 2007 Mercedes GL450. And also don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and check the other videos that are gonna appear right here. Alright, thank you, and see you next time. Bye.